Well, Valley organizations and businesses are doing what they can to help those in need in Maui. News Channel 3's Bianca Ventura is live here in studio to explain how they're working together to make a difference. Bianca.
Hi, Karen. The destruction, the videos, and the first-hand accounts of people escaping the flames are absolutely heartbreaking. But Valley residents are doing their part to keep hope alive and help those who survived the wildfires. I spoke to Valley businesses and organizations that are organizing fundraisers to help victims. One of them includes a community luau that's being hosted by the Four Horsemen, a mobile bar based out of Palm Springs. And the Palm Desert Rotary Club is also working to provide help through their Disaster Relief Fund and their 75th Jubilee Luncheon. Take a listen.
So we actually have a chef who is from Hawaii. His name is Chef Reese from June Hill's Table in Indio. And we also have our chef from Booze Hounds, Chef Eric, who's a Michelin star. We'll be doing Hawaiian plates, like Hawaiian style luau.
We are sure that that money is going to get to the right places because we have Rotarians in Hawaii who are guiding us to the areas of most need.
And Rotary Club members in Palm Desert tell me there were 2 chapters in Lahaina and their club presidents have lost their homes. Again, so many people with ties to Maui are stepping in to help those that are rebuilding. And that luau sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun with authentic Hawaiian food and sounds. And you can head to KESQ.com to find more information on how you can partner with the Palm Desert Rotary chapter to help victims and find more information on that luau fundraiser. Live in studio, Bianca Ventura, News Channel 3.